Are you ready to give up on a dream right now? A career, a job, even a business you wanted to start? Don't worry, don't look any further. I'm going to share with you one success factor that gets everybody through what they're looking at, and that is called resilience. But the problem with resilience, you haven't been taught it at school, you probably haven't been taught it at home, and you've probably gotten a decent glimpse of it through the media when you see all these wonderful success stories, but no one's ever really taught you about resilience, have they? Well, don't worry, look no further. Welcome to my course, The Secret of Resilience, How Not to Give Up, with your instructor, Nader Sabry. This course is divided into 3 parts. The first, we're going to look at the 7 factors that may make you give up, or in the process of making you give up, and how to overcome it. The second part is literally a 7-step process on how not to give up. And the third part is mastering the pivot. When life throws us a curveball, it can either be an opportunity or simply finding another path to getting to where we want to be. But identifying that, knowing how to manage that, that's the secrets I'm going to teach you. Welcome to my course, The Secret of Resilience, How Not to Give Up. I'll see you on the other side.